Today, I'm gonna show you the absolute best ad that you can be running in your Facebook account to scale your business.
I'm the best.
Now, if you wanna scale your Facebook ads, you really have two paths. We can scale volume or we can scale efficiency. And this is what most advertisers get wrong. They focus on getting the best ROAS and throw a bunch of money at it and it won't scale. Today, you're gonna understand why and how to fix that problem and never face it again. Let's go. So before we get started, I just want to say thank you so much. These 5-minute videos have been blowing up this channel. I appreciate it. And if you're one of the 65% of people who are binging this video and the videos like this and have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. The button's right down here. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit like on this video. And if you want to know more from this channel, down in the description below, you're going to see a link to Disruptor Academy. And that is the single best way I can get you on the path to the success that you deserve. All right, what's the best Facebook ad that you should be running? Let's throw 5 minutes on the clock and get started. So first, let's talk about scaling volume.
You got to turn the volume up on that offer, homie, because I can't hear it.
Scaling volume isn't about trying to test for the absolute best ad. It's about making content that your target audience wants to see, even if they've never heard of you before. Here's the secret that nobody else will tell you. Your best customer is already ready to buy. They're already in market. They just need to know that they can buy from you. And they might not even know that you exist. You just have to get their attention. And that's why if you want to scale the volume of business that you have and reach new people, the best ad is a video ad. When people see a video ad, they don't have to know who you are. You just need to leave them feeling something.
I don't even know what that means.
No one knows what it means, but it's provocative.
No, it's not. It's
Gets
gross.
the people going.
And it's great if it grabs attention without immediately trying to sell. Your CPMs and your frequency are going to be lower, so Facebook is showing it to more people for a lower cost per person. And it introduces your brand in a way that builds familiarity. You're not just trying to show them a product, you're trying to tell them a story.
The never-ending story.
And that's why video is the best ad to fill your funnel with new buyers. But sometimes you have way too many potential buyers in your funnel, and what you need to do is scale your efficiency. If your CPA is too high, I'm talking to you.
Are you talking to me?
If you want to scale your efficiency, it's not about reaching more and more unqualified people. It's about reaching the highest quality buyers. And this is why static ads are much better for conversion campaigns when you already have a full funnel. They generally reach people who already know who you are.
Do you know who I am?
They show up in more placements than videos do, so the frequency is higher. That is a higher quality audience. Your frequency is going to be higher, your CPM is going to be higher, and so is your conversion rate. Think about it. People don't stop and watch static ads like do a video. Like TikTok video blew up. Instagram was on static forever. As soon as we introduced video, they had to rip off Reels. This is for a reason. If people are engaging with a static ad, it means they're already in market. It means that they're trying to decide who to spend the money on.
Money!
We have to think of these ads, even in a broad audience, as a retargeting ad. And when you look at the 4PI analysis, it's almost impossible to ignore the fact that these ads generally get less spend with a higher CPM and a higher frequency with much better performance. And that's the ad where you're like, Facebook is dumb. Why doesn't it spend more money on it? It's because it's a retargeting ad. It can't spend more money on it. And if you try to scale that ad, everything will break because it only works for people who are already in market to remind them or convince them to buy from you.
Pretty please.
Now, what if things are going well, but you want to scale volume and efficiency? How do we check both boxes? Well, we do that with catalog ads. And here's why. Catalog ads use Facebook's AI to show the right product to the right person at the right time. Even if it's product 117 in your catalog, it's what they're in market for, even if you have no other ads running to it. Catalog ads also work for both cold and warm audiences. That's the difference between DABA and DPA. And by the way, if you want a lot more information on it, there's a great video right here that you can click on and dive deep with me and Dan Pantella from MarPipe to know the best practices. And I love catalog ads because they never fatigue and they let the machine optimize around real consumer intent and behavior.
Oh, behave.
If somebody's ready to buy, they don't need to be convinced with an ad. They're shopping around. You just need to have the right product at the right time, and all they need to do is see it. And if they're ready to buy, they'll buy it from you. Catalog ads automate this process and are one of the easiest, most scalable ad types ever created. So now you know, if you want to scale volume, use video ads. If you want to scale efficiency, use static ads. And if you have both of those boxes checked and you just want to really take it to the moon, catalog ads are best for you, especially if your product visually has a hook in the packaging and the display. And remember, it's not about getting your best ad. Everybody says, get the best ad, create a volume, all this other stuff. If you have only Michael Jordan on one side and 12 other people, if the game is long enough, he'll lose 100% of the time. This game lasts for the rest of your life. If you focus on one ad, you will always lose. Don't abuse your winners. Build a team of ads that focus on volume and efficiency and round out with something that can kind of pick up the slack in both places. That's how you have a well-balanced, easily scalable, super stable ad account. Now, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you love this video and this playlist, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And down below, you're going to see a link for Disruptor Academy, which is my community on School, which is the cheapest, most effective way for you to get advice from me to scale your ad account. It comes with templates, Q&As, and we're even roasting ad accounts live inside the community so you can get actionable advice to scale your business. Let's go! So until next time, I'll see you on the internet. Bye!
You're my friend. I love you.